Hello, my lovelies. Thanks for tuning in to On the Glow, your guide to skincare, wellness, and beauty right here on She Connects. Today, I wanted to share an experience like no other. I recently went to one of London's premier wellness spots, Gazelli House, to experience a full body massage that was in line with meditation. And this signature treatment at Gazelli House is called a Hypnomind massage. So I sat down with Alex, the wellness director at Gazelli House, to talk a little bit about the treatment and share my experience with you. This is a holistic experience like no other.
Oh yes, well,
I have not experienced something like this before because I end up leaving every session feeling so happy and positive. And
this treatment is something super special. The treatment is our Gazelli signature. It's called Hypnomind massage. The easiest way to describe it is effectively it is a guided meditation. So you listen to a certain recording that has been prepared with the partnership with Rachel Coffey, who's NLP coach and also a hypnotherapy master. So you listen to this guided meditation and the massage happens in perfect sync with that meditation. We also use hot stones, hot compresses, so it's like this multi-sensory experience. The massage itself is not a deep massage, it's very flowy, it's very, very relaxing. And the oil that we use, this is the real treat for the body. We use the Gazelli white oil for the whole body treatment. It really, really delivers the deepest relaxation I think you can possibly experience.
This is so interesting because I'm not really a meditative kind of girl. I've tried. I'm sure you probably hear this a lot as well, yes, because I think it's hard to really focused, stay within that meditative state.
Yes, what is quite interesting as well, like there are different schools in terms of the meditation. Like sometimes you can either say certain mantra while you're meditating. You can really try to keep your mind clear and really do not entertain the thoughts that come and go within while you're meditating. You can also really focus on the thoughts that they come and go and kind of process them through, let them go as well. Because it is quite rare we find this moment of emptiness and silence in the mind. With the Hypnomind massage, since the recording is quite unique, it guides you through this journey, and it's all about empowering you, letting go of anything that you wish to let go of and that you are ready to let go of as well. And it also is to make it's designed to make you feel more grounded and more empowered, as I mentioned. This treatment, it has a very sort of soft approach to introduce you to meditation. So it's not too invasive, nothing to be. Sometimes people, oh, hypnotherapy, I'm not sure about that. You are totally in control at all times. Yeah, what I can guarantee you is a deep relaxation and really, really feeling grounded, empowered, and like, I can do it after the treatment. It's wonderful.
Can you share a little bit about self-care? Like what sort of self-care rituals can we apply in our day-to-day lives?
Yes, of course. It's all about creating the special moments within the house, and for you to look deep inside your body and like really listen to what your body says you and adapt and react on those messages. Because I find that the bodies are quite smart and they will tell you if there's something wrong or the body really enjoys something, like feels good with what you eat, feels good with the energy you surround yourself with. It's all about sharing the love and sharing the positive vibrations around, and also looking more positively and being kind to yourself and to one another.
I love it.
Yes.
I love it. It's the same philosophy I feel as well, because I always say just try to be in tune with your body and understand that if you are, and this is hard, when you're busy, we live in London, such a hectic lifestyle that we are. So having a haven like this, or just having half an hour at home to do something special for you in terms of your self-care rituals, then you feel rejuvenated, you're able to give more love, and you feel better from the inside out. And I always say you start glowing inside first. You have to work inside, and then everything will show outside.
I find it's very, very important to really love yourself first, and this is where you start. Very often we kind of work nearly backwards, that we give and give and give the love to everyone around us. But it's much more efficient, apart from anything else, to love yourself first and make sure that you are looked after, that your body is feeling well, that you are glowing, and that you feel your balance and your energy levels are where they should be. And then you can really give, because you as a person feel as a whole, right? You feel good about yourself, and that would be the moment that I would find is super important, to look after yourself from the inside. And it's also about creating those moments throughout your daily routine when you can really look after yourself. So it can be something as small that you dedicate, let's say, half an hour to create a bespoke, like tailor-made body scrub with your favorite salts, favorite essential oils, and you create this formulation for yourself. And you can even do it in a very mindful way, that you apply circular motions, then rinse it, and as you rinse it, you wash your stress away. And I find that this is a very nice one to do. You can use little mantras as well, so something simple to say, like inhale peace, exhale love. So you can take a deep breath in, you inhale the peace, and exhale love. So it's a very small tip. That's something that I use when I get stressed as well, and I find it is quite helpful to create those little moments for yourself.
Thanks guys for tuning in, and I really enjoyed having that conversation with Alex. I find her so passionate about wellness, very insightful with some valuable tips on self-care. Really, there are so many ways to take care of yourself from the inside and out. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of On the Glow. Please stay connected with me, and remember, keep glowing.